Camshaft and crankshaft sensors monitor the position of the engine's crankshaft and camshaft by generating an electrical signal based on the position of the trigger wheel. This information is used by the ignition control module and/or the ECU for the sequencing of ignition and fuel injector timing. The ECU uses this information to support a multitude of vehicle tasks, including detecting misfires, ignition system timing, and the position of the RPM gauge, to name a few. Camshaft position sensors are used to read and report the position of the camshaft or camshafts to the ECU. Typically, there are multiple camshaft sensors on each vehicle, sometimes as many as 5 on one engine. Cam sensor signals are used for a number of vehicle operations, including fuel delivery, variable valve timing control, and more. Common failures of both cam and crank sensors include stress on internal components, which can lead to internal circuit failure on poorly designed or made sensors, vibration, which can cause internal sensor components to become loose, and rust, which, if forms, changes the sensor's air gap, causing improper reading and reporting of the signal. Common symptoms of failure include check engine light illumination, the engine running rough, stalling, hard starts, or even failure to start. However, these symptoms may not be consistent since both cam and crank sensors are known to fail intermittently or fail and recover. Carquest Vehicle Solutions cam and crank sensors deliver OE fit, form, and function, and match OEM requirements to ensure proper sensor operation. Here's how. Utilizing advanced equipment including laser measurement devices, 3D printers, and X-ray machines, our manufacturers design and engineer our cam and crank sensors to OE specifications in order to recreate the highest quality replacements. To deliver optimal performance and long life, our cam and crank sensors are manufactured using high-grade thermoplastics, soldered connections, and epoxy encapsulations to protect sensor elements from heat, vibration, and chemicals. From there, they undergo and must pass a variety of tests, including thermal shock, vibration, and salt spray, to ensure our coatings and platings live up to the harsh environments that cam and crank sensors see under the hood. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality parts.